Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a full breakdown, review, and on feed over the Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivories. And I must say, bro, this one I think will do exceptionally well due to a couple of reasons we're going to talk about in today's video. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. It's always greatly appreciated. I got to give you guys this energy, man, because I do appreciate every single body for taking out time of the day, coming to the videos, see what your boy Adventure is talking about. And I think a lot of y'all are interested in these Craft Ivory 3s, so I can't wait to show you guys how these hitting on feet, how I laced them, break them down, and all that good stuff, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content we are dropping over here, man. And you already know the last thing and one of the most important things to do is smack that like button, bro. I know people are going to be interested in this on feet, so help your boy out push this video by smacking that like button. And today's video is sponsored by Game Changers LA. So now you guys see the T on right here, and I also dropped the reel over on Instagram where I wore a bunch of their t-shirts that they sent over, man. Dope quality, thick material, and I'm already know I'm gonna get a lot of wears out of the tees they sent over, especially this one right here, bro. I really love this one. They sent over the Nick Saban joint, they sent over Young Thug one, Tory Lanez, a bunch of dope graphic tees that you guys can go ahead and head over to Game Changers right now. I'm gonna leave all the links down below in the description box. You guys can save $10 off your entire order using my discount code DV10. Pretty simple. Go check them out. Link down below. I'm telling y'all, bruh, some of the best graphic tees I've seen in a very, very long time with the big faces on there, which I really do like. You know what I'm saying? I feel like wearing these tees kind of bring out the sneakers you are wearing, man. So go check them out. Link down below. Use my discount code. I want to lead you guys in the wrong direction, man. All right, guys, first things first, I do want to show you guys the box. One of these days, I'm going to get a little table right here so I can set everything up next to me, man. But check out the box. The same logo you get on the box right here, you do get on the heel of the sneaker, which you guys probably already seen B-roll of, or you're probably seeing them over on Instagram or Twitter. I'll be posting shoes everywhere, man. So if you follow me on my social media, go ahead and click the links down below and follow me where I'll be talking about a whole bunch of different stuff other than sneakers. But the fish color reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Craft, and the colorway is ivory, gray mist, and cream. And I got this in a size 9.5, and I recommend you guys going up a half a size 2. They fit perfectly. You know, usually a size 9, but lately, bruh, that size 9 been fitting a little snug, so I want a size 9.5. I already did on feet. They fit A-okay. Check these joints out, the Craft Ivory Air Jordan 3s. And I told y'all I think a lot of people will be interested in these. One, because they do resemble the Alma Year 3s. I talked about that during the unboxing, and they also resemble like somewhat of an off-white type of vibe. And if you don't want to spend $1,000 or $500 for the Alma Year 3s, you can go ahead and cop you a Craft Ivory pair that drops this upcoming weekend. You get the same hits, you get the same vibes. And something I thought would also be super interesting with this one right here is you can switch out the laces to any color you want. I think it would give it a nice pop to the sneaker. One of the shoes I was thinking about is the J Balvin Air Jordan 3s that just dropped last year. And there will be a black pair that dropped later on, but the white pair, hey, you can't lie, bro. It kind of got some resemblance to it. And like I said, if you don't want to spend that $400 or $500, you could definitely get you a pair of the Craft Ivories, man. And go ahead and check out the heel. Something I feel like put the ice on the cake for me as far as copying. You have the translucent back tab with Nike Air and the Jumpman on the back. Thought that was super, super dope, man. Something nice to add to the shoe. Something different. You know, we always usually getting like a Jordan or a Nike here on the back, but I say, you know what? I'm gonna give you guys both on these Craft Ivories. And I cannot talk enough about the leather quality they did throw on these. I'm talking about super, super tumbled with these Craft Ivories right here. I feel like every time they give us a Craft or a woman's exclusive, they just throw the craziest type of material on the shoe, and the leather is pretty tumble all throughout. Of course, you do have your elephant print on the toe box going around them joints, and then flipping it on the heel. You also get the elephant print back there with a small strip of like this gray going around it. And even on the toe box, to just peep that, kind of get like this double layer effect on the toe box and on the heel of these guys. These came with all white laces, or it might even be like a little bit on the sale side, not too sure. But something I thought that was super dope also with this one right here is you do have 2 Jumpmans on the tongue, bro. Not one, but 2. Got one that's kind of like this grayish look, and then behind it you got that Craft or that ivory color or like a pale color popping out behind the gray one. That was super dope, man. They killed it. They got some nice material different hits that we are not used to seeing. Like I said, I'm telling y'all, this might be one of them instant sellouts when the sneakers out this upcoming weekend. And you also get that pale color going around the heel of the sneaker right here. And then leading to probably another interesting part about the sneaker is the outsoles, man. You have your Jordan down below in gray. You also got a gray pod with this, like, I don't even know what color this is, but I'm gonna say a pale translucent outsole on these guys right here. Thought that was super nice, super clean, but something that's gonna be, you know, a little bit bad down the line, of course, is the yellow, and I'm interested in seeing how the yellow will look on this pair right here. And if anybody has the triple white Air Jordan 3 or the pure white, or whatever, I think they call the pure money 3s with the icy blue outsoles, send me a picture over on Instagram. I'm super interested in seeing how your pair has held up, because I think that pair dropped back in 2018 or 2017 if I'm not mistaken. But if you guys have a pair, I'd be super appreciative if you guys send me a picture. Let me see how the icy blue sole is holding up. Yeah, I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Again, make sure you check out Game Changers LA. I'm gonna link everything down below that you need. I'm telling y'all, they got some of the best graphic tees with the big faces on there, and I know that's gonna be my go-to shop as far as putting my fits together with my sneaker. Use that discount code DB10 to save $10 off your entire order, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we drop in, and leave a huge thumbs up on today's video if you did enjoy. All that being said, we're gonna have to throw these joints on feet real quick, but again, last but not least, I love them. Definitely a keeper in the collection. I know I want to cut back on what I am keeping and retaining the collection, but these right here definitely are
this year. Jump out the crib, stack up my Cino this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year. Only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real. I'm in control of my feels. You see my highlights and study my real. Yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year. The world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence. I'm serving up chills to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plates, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death, get to the checks. Flex, yes, got nothing to lose, it's on the prove. Come from the trench, Cuban links on my neck, tanking, freeze, smoking on dope, that diesel. Freeze, run until I miss my season. Lay back, geeking, smoking on dope, that diesel. Young get gone off the deep end, run until I miss my season. I keep a stack of them blessings, I'm ballin', I'm play callin'. They chain on me matching my smile, you know that I stay saucin'. Wrist flooded, she drowning. We good on this side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plates, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes, hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death, get to the checks.